Good day everyone. This is Gerald B. Bohol from Grade 11 Valor, and I believe in the sayings that mistakes allows thinking to happen. In this video, I will teach you on how to get the center and the radius of a circle given this equation, and I will teach you also on how to graph it using a graphing calculator. As you can see, all of this equation is written in standard form or center radius form. Before that, what is the standard form of a circle? This is the standard form of a circle, where x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, which is the h and k is the center and r is the radius. Now, let's proceed to our example number 1. X squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 49. We know that the standard form of the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Now, first, we will write the given equation into standard form. So, the center of the circle is 0 and 3. To get the radius, we will get first the square root of both sides of the equation. So, the radius is equal to 7. Now that we know the center and the radius, it will be easy to us to graph. First, we need the x and y axis. Next, dot the center. The coordinate is 0 and 3. When we are done to dot the center, this is the time that the measure of radius will work. The radius is 7, so we need to count 7 units to the right from the circle, and we need also to count 7 units to the left side. The same in the upward and downward. To complete the graph, we're going to trace it using 4 coordinates from the center. So now, let's try to graph it using graphing calculator. First, choose the graph which is number 9 and press it. Second, choose conic in number 2. Then find where is the equation of a circle and press equal. Then lastly, write the given number of A and it is 0 and 3 for B, and lastly the radius which is 7. And that is the result.
Let's proceed to our example number 2. X plus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 10. The center of this equation is negative 3 and negative 2, and the radius is equals to 10. So radius equals square root of 10, or approximately equal to 3.16. So now let's graph it. The center is located at the third quadrant. Sometimes it's better to get the coordinates of the 4 points on the circles that we use as a guide to sketch a graph. Always remember, if the direction is in the left or right side, we will add or subtract at h, same at the key. We know that h is negative 3 and the radius is approximately equal to 3.16. When the direction is in the right side, we are always going to add. So, negative 3 plus 3.16 is equals to 16. So, the coordinate of the point in the right side of the center is 0.16 and negative 2. When the direction is in the left side, we should always minus it. So, negative 3 minus 3.16. So, the coordinate or the point of the left side of the center is a negative 6.16 and a negative 2. So, if it is upward or plus, 2 plus 3.16 is equals to 1.16. The coordinate of the upward of the center is negative 3 and 1.16. But when it is downward, it is minus. So, negative 2 minus 3.16 is equals to 5.16. The coordinate of the point in the downward of the center is negative 3 and 5.16. And now, this is the graph of our second example of equation. So now, let's try to graph it using graphing calculator. First, choose the graph which is number 9 and press it. Second, choose conic in number 2. Then find where is the equation of the circle and press equal. Then lastly, write the given number of A and it is negative 3 and negative 2 for B. And lastly, the radius which is 3.16 and this is the result.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot. And always remember, mathematics is not all about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It's also about understanding. Bye, and God bless.